Hello, good day everyone. I greet you according to your time zone. A very big thank you to all our subscribers. I really appreciate it. God bless you. Thank you very much. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Today I'll be making a tutorial on how to cut a female pant. Female pant. That's female undies. So without wasting much time, what you will be needing is your waist measurement, your hip measurement. So I'll be using a brown paper and I'll be using my needle and my thread to sew it so that you see because I don't have a sewing machine at home. So you fold your fabric into two. Put your fabric into two. So let's assume this is your fabric here now. So you fold it by two, then you get your waist measurement divided by four. So waist measurement divided by four. So let's make use of waist 40, then the hip 40 and 48. So you check if it's up to 40 and you'll be using a stretchy fabric. So this is what we have. We have 10 here. So if you are using a stretchy fabric, you don't need any allowances. So the next thing you do is to mark you come to this upper side, you measure 1 inches. This 1 inches will serve as your folding allowance. So this is 1 inches. This is 1 inches for your folding allowance. I don't know if you can see it clearly. So the next thing you do is to measure your length. That's the pant length. You'll be using your hip. The hip divided by 4, which is I said 48, that's 12. So you measure your 12 inches here now. So this is 12 inches. This will serve as the length of your pant. So you measure 12 here. Come to this other side, measure 12. So this is 12 now. So these are our 12 inches here. So the next thing is to measure the length of that will be for the pants. You know that place they usually join. So if you want to get it, the next thing is to measure. So make use of, I don't want the pants to be too wide at the side. So you make use of 4.5. You can still reduce it. You can still make use of 4 depending on how wide you want it to be. After sewing, you see what I'm trying to say. So make use of 4.5. This is 4.5 here. Then you come to this downside. This downside, you measure 2 inches. So this is 2 inches. Then you're going to connect it like C to meet with this 2 inches here. So you connect it like this now. So this is how you're going to connect it. So this is the front part. This is how it's going to look like. So let me cut it, then you see how it is before we cut the back side. So after cutting it, this is how it is. This is your front part here. You can see how it is here. You can see this shape here. So this is our 1 inches for our bending allowance. So if you open it, you have something like this. This is the front part of our pant. So we'll fold it again, use it to cut at the back. So you bring your fabric, place it like this now. You still be folding it with the same 10 inches that you used before. So after folding, so you place it like, you place the front part now on your fabric like this. So this is how you are going to place it now. Then I'll use your fabric very well. So you can see how I placed it. So the next thing you'll be doing is you are going to add to the back. So you come to this place here now. You come to this place. I don't know if you can see it very well. You add 1 inches to it. You add 1 inches to this place. Then you connect it from here, from this down, from these 2 inches. I mean 2 point. From these 2 inches that we marked at the down part. So you are going to connect it like to meet with this 1 inches. Then after connecting it, you take it up to meet with this waistline here. So this is how the back is. You can see the difference. It's just 1 inch difference. You add 1 inches to it, but this 2 inches still remains. So you measure. You start from this 2 inches. You connect it to meet with this 1 inches here, all to this place. So this is it. It's finished. This is how to cut your pants. It's very simple. You can actually make this for your own use. You can make this for yourself. You can even make it for sale, depending on what you want to use it for. So you will cut it now. So if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also share our video, please guys. So this is it. So I've finished cutting. So you see the back. This is the back. This is the front. The back is bigger than the front with just 1 inch difference. So here is this. This is our pant. This is our pant here. So this is how to cut your pants. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be using my needle and my thread to show you how you're going to sew it. So let me pass it in. I'll show you how to do the rest. So the first thing you do is to join this place. You're going to join this place. Then you join the other side, this place as well. So let me join it and show you. So I finished using my needle and my thread. You can see the needle and the thread here. So I finished using it to join this side now. So I'm going to be joining this other side as well. So if you are using it to, if you want to use it to practice, I would advise you use your brown paper first before using your fabric. So you're going to join it like this now. If you are using needle and thread to join anything at home, so you join it like this. So let me join it. After joining it, then we'll see the outcome of it now. So I've joined the two sides. This is the side here. This is the other side. So the next place is to join this down. Don't forget this is the down side now. So we're going to be joining here. And so you see the shape here. You can see the shape. So we'll join this down. And after joining, I will show you the next step. So I've joined the three sides now. The down, this side, and the other side. I've joined it. So the next thing is to turn it out. So I'm going to be turning it out with here. So I've finished turning it out, guys. So here it is. So this is it now. You can see that the shape of the pants is coming out gradually. So you are going to, what you will do next is to fold your 1 inches that you added here. You fold your 1 inches all around. You fold your 1 inches all around. Then after folding it, you can insert elastic, tiny elastic, to draw it so that it will be tight on your waist, or you can shape it to how you want it. So you see some pants that they have elastic. So I'm going to be folding this waist. So after folding, I'll show you what we'll do next. So let me just fold the waist and show you. So I finished folding the upper part. This was the 1 inches that we added for our folding allowance. You can see the line of my thread showing. So this is how you are going to fold it. This is the inside. So if you are weaving it, you fold it once. If you don't want to weave it, you are going to fold it in before you fold it again, making it wide. Then you leave one place like 1 inches where you can pass your elastic. So this is the waist now. So the next place you'll be folding is the down part. That's this down part now. This down part, that's where you'll be folding. You'll be using your normal folding inches of half inches to fold it. This down part now. So I'll fold it, then fold the other side. Then I'll tell you how to insert the one they used to fit inside. So let me fold it, then show you the other ones. So I finished with the sewing. You can see I've already fold the down of the pants. I've done the same thing to this other side, and even the upper part I've folded it. So, and like I said before, if you want to insert your elastic, you insert it. So I'm almost through with it now. So this is our back pants now. You can see if you are putting on this one, everywhere will be covered. Even the front part will be covered. But if you don't want it to be too covered, you can still trim this place. You can make it smaller. This is the down now. You can make it smaller depending on you. So it's your choice. Why this is the back, you see that the back is bigger than the front because of the butt. So we are through with it. The only thing that is remaining, if you open your pant, you see that at the center of the pant, they will cut another fabric to sew to it. So you can look for any cutting material that is that can absorb sweat or all those things. Then you just cut the length of, let's say the length of 4 inches. Then you centralize it, then sew it to at the center part of your pant to just be there as form of absorbent, or I don't know how they call it. So that's how you're going to do it. That's the only thing that is remaining. So this is it now. This is how it is. You can make this too. You can do this actually. If you earn you some money, you can just be sewing it, then you can sell it. So it depends on how you want it. You can even make it for yourself. So guys, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. Please, if you love our video, please, I'm begging, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and also like our video. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.